Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
I once opened a project management app with the intention of being productive and somehow ended up reorganizing tasks I hadn't even started yet. So let's skip the distractions and get straight into pricing. Quire starts with one of the most generous free plans you'll find in project management software today. The free plan includes unlimited projects, unlimited tasks, unlimited team members, and real-time collaboration, which already makes it powerful enough for individuals, freelancers, startups, and small teams that want structure without spending money. You can create detailed task lists, assign tasks to teammates, set deadlines, add comments, attach files, and track progress without immediately hitting a paywall. For many users, this free plan alone is enough to manage real work effectively without feeling restricted or pressured to upgrade too early. When you step up to Quire's professional plan, which is priced per user per month, you unlock features designed for more organized and growing teams. These include timeline views that help visualize project schedules over time, task priorities to control urgency and workload, custom roles and permissions to manage access levels across the team, higher file storage limits, and enhanced collaboration controls that improve accountability. For larger organizations, Quire also offers an enterprise plan that adds advanced security features, admin-level controls, priority customer support, and scalability options for teams managing complex workflows across multiple departments and locations. To give proper context, let's briefly compare this with Freedcamp's pricing model. Freedcamp also offers a free plan, but it is more limited and mainly intended for basic task management rather than full project coordination. As you move into Freedcamp's paid tiers, pricing is also per user per month, but many advanced features such as time tracking, invoicing, CRM tools, and advanced reporting are locked behind higher tiers or add-on modules. This structure allows flexibility, but it also means costs can increase quickly as your team grows or your workflow becomes more complex. Now let's move fully into Quire's features, because this is where the platform truly shines. Quire is built around a clean, minimalist interface that prioritizes clarity and focus rather than overwhelming users with buttons and menus. Its standout feature is nested task management, which allows users to break projects down into tasks, subtasks, and even deeper layers without cluttering the workspace or losing visibility. This makes it ideal for complex projects that require detailed planning and step-by-step execution. Users can switch between list view, Kanban boards, and timeline views, depending on how they prefer to visualize progress and deadlines. Tasks can be assigned to specific team members, scheduled with deadlines, prioritized based on urgency, and updated in real time as work progresses. Collaboration feels smooth and natural, thanks to built-in comments, mentions, activity logs, and file attachments that keep communication directly tied to the work. Quire also supports integrations with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and calendar platforms, helping teams stay connected without constantly switching between apps. Performance is another strong point, as Quire remains lightweight and responsive, even when managing large projects with deeply nested task structures and many contributors. Now let's talk honestly about Quire's pros and cons. On the positive side, Quire is extremely intuitive and easy to learn, even for users who are new to project management software. The interface is clean and distraction-free, the nested task system is one of the best available, and the free plan is powerful enough to support real workflows long-term. On the downside, Quire does not include built-in time tracking, invoicing, or CRM features, which may be limiting for agencies or service-based businesses that rely heavily on billing and client management. Reporting and analytics are also relatively basic compared to more enterprise-focused platforms. Overall, Quire is best suited for users and teams who value simplicity, focus, and structured planning without unnecessary complexity or feature overload. Now let's move into Freedcamp's features, because this platform takes a much broader and more business-focused approach compared to Quire. Freedcamp is designed as an all-in-one project management system that goes beyond simple task tracking and aims to support the full operational side of running projects and teams. At its core, Freedcamp provides task lists that allow teams to break work into manageable actions, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. Users can switch between list views and Kanban boards depending on how they prefer to visualize work, while calendars and milestones help teams stay aware of the deadlines and long-term project goals. Discussions are built directly into projects and tasks, reducing the need for scattered communication across email or chat apps. File storage is also included, allowing teams to upload, share, and reference documents directly within their workflow. One of Freedcamp's biggest strengths is its modular feature system. Time tracking allows users to log hours spent on tasks, distinguishing between billable and non-billable work, which is especially valuable for agencies, consultants, and freelancers who need accurate records for clients. Invoicing tools take this a step further by converting tracked time into professional invoices, helping teams manage billing without relying on separate accounting software. Freedcamp also includes CRM functionality, enabling users to manage leads, contacts, and customer interactions directly within the platform, which is useful for teams that want sales and project execution to live in one place. Reporting tools provide insights into productivity, task completion rates, and time usage, helping managers identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency. Issue tracking features support internal problem reporting and bug management, making Freedcamp suitable for technical and product-focused teams as well. Additional features include password management for securely sharing credentials, customizable user permissions, and integrations with popular tools like Google Workspace, Dropbox, Slack, and other third-party apps. Collaboration is supported through comments, notifications, shared dashboards, and role-based access controls, allowing teams of different sizes to work together while maintaining oversight and accountability. Now let's talk honestly about Freedcamp's pros and cons. On the positive side, Freedcamp is highly versatile and can replace multiple standalone tools by combining project management, time tracking, invoicing, and CRM into a single platform. This makes it particularly appealing for service-based businesses that want centralized control over projects and clients. The ability to customize features based on team needs is also a strong advantage. On the downside, Freedcamp can feel overwhelming for new users due to its wide range of features and settings. The interface is more functional than visually polished, and the learning curve is steeper compared to minimalist tools. Pricing can also become confusing or costly as more advanced features and additional users are added. Now let's touch on ratings. According to Capterra, both Quire and Freedcamp generally receive strong user ratings, commonly averaging around 4 to 4.5 stars, based on aggregated user reviews. These ratings reflect overall user satisfaction, but can change over time, so viewers should always check the most recent listings on Capterra for updated feedback, as this information is based on user opinions and not official endorsements from the software companies. Final takeaway time. If you value simplicity, speed, and clean task organization, Quire is the better choice. If you need deeper business tools like time tracking, invoicing, and CRM built directly into your workflow, Freedcamp is likely the stronger option despite its complexity. If this comparison helped you make a decision, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest software breakdowns, and click the link below to access the software and try it for yourself.